And we're back.
But what about the Gigi's present?
Well, no, we're not.
They'll be here tomorrow when Gigi gets here.
Yes, Rachel be
All right,
here.
buddy, here. Sit down next to Amelia.
The Gigi's present is staying because Gigi's not here yet.
We're gonna
Back
give
up a
Mama
little
one
bit,
of her
baby. Where do you
presents to
want- where do you
open.
want Isaac?
Oh, that's to Mommy from Isaac.
From Isaac?
Yeah, sit down next to. You gonna sit down next to Mommy on the other side of Mommy while she opens that?
Or next
Oh,
to
okay.
Amelia's?
That's good. And then, let's see.
Then we'll do that. If we're gonna do Mommy, then we'll do that.
Oh, we'll do Isaac and Amelia. More.
That's mine.
Nope. This is for little Missy. And this is for Isaac.
Now you can open it.
I'll open one in a minute.
Wait until you're done.
Here. And
I'll
you
get that
pick
one in a minute. We'll wait till you guys are done.
Daddy's present next. I can't get this. We're gonna open all the presents like
Oh, I
this.
love it.
Isaac.
Ooh, thank you, Isaac.
Mommy's saying thank you. Look what you
Isaac,
gave
I
her.
love it. It's such soft
You're
soft
welcome.
memories. Thank you so much. Should we leave it in the box or out of the box?
It was
Leave it in the
just,
box for now.
Daddy helped me wrap it a little
That
bit.
is beautiful.
But
I
Daddy
really
helped,
like them.
but Daddy helped me wrap it.
What'd you get there, bud?
Spider-Man cup.
What all is in there?
Ooh, and a new toothbrush.
A Spider-Man
Your own
toothbrush.
cup and toothbrush.
Look,
You guys have your own now.
but she has to wait until she can follow you.
Now she's got her own to use.
Now she always likes to use your cup. Look, you got your own cup, miss.
Oh, but I got 2 cups.
Wow, that's pretty cool, bud.
Oh, baby. Like that? You want to give Daddy a gift? Oh, I know. You're sick.
Okay, and I guess I'll open mine.
Sick?
And let's see, this is.
Well, just go ahead and have yours.
Oh, okay.
Who's this present?
Well, just wait a minute,
I'll
buddy.
take a
I'll
picture.
put it back. Thank you.
You want to sit with Daddy and I'll take a picture?
Amelia, you
Dad.
want to sit here and help me open?
Go sit with Daddy.
I'll help you.
Okay, well, Missy's gonna come here too. Here, let her sit here, please, because she's not feeling well. You can sit next to me, though.
No, you
Right
sit there
here.
too, baby.
You sit next to me and help open it. Come here, bud.
I-
Help me open it. Help me open it.
I'll help you open it.
Whoa.
You
What'd
still-
Daddy get?
Mommy, here.
Ooh,
Did you look
nice.
Did you look at the tag?
From Mama.
And me.
And you.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome, Daddy.
Ooh,
Say you're welcome.
thank you,
Say
Missy.
you're welcome, Daddy.
She comes right back over off speed.
Say you're welcome.
Okay, I'm gonna turn the video.
That's fine. All right, so Isaac, say Merry Christmas.
Do you
Isaac.
A lot more presents to open, but we're not
Say
going to
Merry
have our
Christmas.
video. Merry Christmas.
What is
To the
Isaac.
video, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.